When the la-la hits your lyrics, just split you.
Welcome to the Culinary Insider. I am Ryan Parker. Let's get ready to rumble. A West Hollywood restaurant honors all things Bayside High School with their Saved by the Bell themed pop-up. Oh my God, the world is coming to an end. Saved by the Max aims to recreate Zach Morris's favorite hangout. When diners enter the pop-up space, they walk a hallway filled with 90s Saved by the Bell memorabilia. The hallway contains red lockers that were seen at Bayside High, and a few of them are open so you can see exactly what Kelly Kapowski was hiding. Saved by the Max plays 90s era tunes and has menu items like the Mac and Screech, the AC Sliders, and Miss Bliss's Sausage. And if you don't get the Miss Bliss reference, she was a teacher at Bayside High School during the first season of the show. Never to be seen again because Zach Morris tormented her so much she probably checked herself into a psych ward. Because
Zach Morris is trash.
Zach Morris is trash.
Cocktails are available for $13 to $15 and can be enjoyed in Belding's office, a dining room just off the kitchen. With the restaurant industry projected being worth $800 billion, many tech companies and restaurants are betting big on tech. In July, the restaurant management platform Toast raised $115 million in an effort to expand. Based in Boston, Toast recently opened offices in Portland, Oregon, and plans on hiring at least 30 employees there. Toast works with Jamba Juice, Sepia, and Be Good, among others, using Android-based mobile point-of-sale devices, back-of-the-house management, and feedback from the customers. T. Rowe Price led the round of investing, gaining participation from a group of large investors. Washington, D.C. has repealed voter-approved Initiative 77, which would have entitled tipped restaurant workers to the same minimum wage as everyone else. In July, 55% of the voters approved Initiative 77, which was set to go in effect in 2025. The National Restaurant Association spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in anti-77 messaging, along with more than 100 D.C. area restaurant and bar owners who believed there would be a rise in the cost of labor, which is kind of the point of the bill, isn't it? If you are a Trader Joe's shopper, you might want to check your fridge and start that caveman diet you were thinking of. The company has recalled a variety of fresh salads in 9 states: Colorado, Idaho, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Oregon, Texas, Washington, and New Mexico. The salads are being recalled due to a possible link to salmonella, although no illnesses have been reported at this time. And finally, it has been reported Peter Meehan, the Lucky Peach co-founder, is taking his talents to the LA Times to become the contributing editor. Meehan will be working closely with the food editor, test kitchen director, while also seeking new restaurant critics and authoritative voices to contribute to the section. And that is all the food, drink, and dining news I have for you today. Make sure you subscribe to get updates as soon as we release new episodes of the Culinary Insider. Remember, food is life, and life is great. Take care of each other.
When the la-la hits your lyrics, just split you.
Zach Morris is trash.